Have you always wanted a system for papers but weren't very sure of the routine to keep it up? Well, we're going to talk about conquering paper the ADHD way today. It's certified professional organizer Ellen Delap, owner of professionalorganizer.com. I hear from my clients all the time the challenges of keeping up with the routines of paper and how difficult it is. So we want to think about the manageable way to keep paper at bay. First step with your command center, we talked about in step 1, we want to triage our papers at least once a week if we can. Step number 2, you want to do a little filing probably once a month or every other month. And even though filing is super boring and tedious, we want to think about ways to make it fun. Talk with a friend on the phone, have a playlist, just simple ways to make it a little bit more enjoyable. Give yourself a reward. Then we want to move into the archive box, which can be paired with tax time. And so another big project, our taxes, make it a little bit easier by chunking it into manageable chunks throughout the year, or just be sure to create manageable chunks on your calendar to get that done. So the routines create a process, and that process helps you get the job done with paperwork. This is certified professional organizer Ellen Delap, owner of professionalorganizer.com.